Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever way you're watching from. Guys, okay, I'll be showing you guys how to withdraw your money from Primeshare. Okay, if you are registered on Primeshare, you come over here, you tap on Primeshare. If you are yet to register, you use the link in the description of this video to get in touch with me. If you are yet to register on Primeshare, use the link in the description of this video to get in touch with me. I'll walk you through on how to get started. Now, you go over to Primeshare. You give it a bit time to load. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Now, here is the login page. If you have registered, you just come here, you put your email address and your password. You put your email address here and you enter your password and you hit on sign in. But if you have not registered, use the link in the description of this video to get in touch with me on WhatsApp. I'll walk you through on how to get started. Now, let me log in and show you guys. Let me log in and show you guys how to withdraw from Primeshare, okay, as an affiliate member. So guys, now this is the interface or the homepage of Primeshare. If you are due for withdrawal, for non-referrals, the minimum withdrawal is $40. Then for non-affiliate members, the minimum withdrawal is $40. Then for affiliate member, you can withdraw as low as $5 or $10. Okay. Now, before you proceed to withdraw your money from this platform, you must have linked your bank account details. Now, how do you do that? You come over here and click on this bank icon. Okay, I've already linked mine already. So you click on this bank icon here. It will now take you to where you will link your bank details. Now you now get to this page. If you are to link your bank details, you will now get to this page. As you can see now, mine has already been linked. So this is my account details. Once I click to withdraw, the money in dollar will be converted to naira and I will receive it in my bank account. Now, this is how to add your bank details. You're not asked for BVN, you're not asked for NIN, just your bank details to receive your payment. Now, you click on this plus icon. If you're to add more account details, you click on this plus icon. So, when you click on the plus icon, okay, sorry, this is for withdrawal either. Okay, I've already linked my bank details. Okay, so once you are there, you can just link your bank details, guys. So once you have linked your bank details and you want to withdraw, so you come here and click on this bank details and click on this bank icon. That is if you want to withdraw. So now I'm going to be withdrawing the sum of $33.2. Okay, so I'm going to be withdrawing the sum of $32.2. Okay, since I'm qualified for withdrawal. Now, how do you do that? You click on this bank icon. In the same vein, you can still use the bank icon here, this bank icon that I showed you. So when you get here, you just put your bank details. Okay, now this is for withdrawal. Now I'll click on withdrawal. And it asks me the amount that I want to withdraw. I will just enter the sum of 32.2. So you don't need to put the icon of dollar, just enter the amount of dollar you want to withdraw and you hit on the withdraw icon and boom, you see that it will show that my withdrawal has been sent and it's under processing. So guys, as you can see now, withdrawal request submitted. You get, so in no less than a few minutes I will get credited. I will still show you guys the proof how soon I get credited. Okay, so guys, this is how to place your withdrawal as an affiliate member on Primeshare. So like I said earlier, if you want to get sign up, the registration fee is just 4,000. Yes, it's just 4,000. So when you get started, you'll be getting $1 every day from Primeshare as a non-referral. Get, as a non-referral, you're only entitled to be earning $1 every day for liking their trend post. So you'll be getting $1 every day from this platform as a non-referral. So when you get when it reaches $40, you can withdraw your money to your bank account. As simple as that. But as an affiliate member, you'll be getting $6.2 for any person you invite or refers to this platform. How cool is that? And the withdrawal is twice in a week, every Monday and every Thursday. Like today, that I'm making this video is Thursday. So that's why the withdrawal portal opens for me to withdraw. So guys, you can also take advantage of this platform if you are interested. You can check out the link to get in touch with me on WhatsApp. I will walk you through on how to get started. Thank you for sticking tuned. See you guys in the insight.